The first thing you'll notice is it's actually quite a nice looking microphone. I mean, it's just such a nice piece of metal. It feels hefty. It almost feels kind of like the Audio-Technica headphones or not headphones, sorry, microphones that I've used before. On the bottom, it has a USB input, which it comes with USB, obviously, so you're going to want that. It's also a pretty long cable, so that's perfect. The microphone itself actually sounds quite nice, and you can tell because I'm actually speaking into it right now as I voice over this. It comes with a pop filter and a pop filter that goes directly onto the microphone itself, so you got the double. It also comes with an arm, so as you can see, quite a simple little arm. It's kind of small, but the fact that it comes all in one and it all works out of the box is quite nice, and I very much appreciate that they added this. The base is very simple. It's all easy to maneuver, easy to use. Overall, I 100% recommend this microphone. I was quite surprised with the sound quality. I was not expecting it to sound as good as it does. On the microphone itself, it also has these like buttons that are plus and minus. That's actually the gain. So if I were to sit here and just talk and slowly lower the gain, you're not going to hear me as much. And then as I slowly up the gain again, you can start to hear me again. So very simple. Not really a mute button, but you can mute it if you really need to. Putting the microphone in the thing is actually kind of annoying, but once you do it, you don't really have to take it out anymore. Yeah, as you can see, it's kind of like big binder clips. So you slip these things in and then push on it, and it will actually let you put the microphone in. And then once it's in, it's not coming out. So you don't have to worry about this thing moving around. The shock mount's actually quite nice too. It's a very simple shock mount, but it does the job. Overall, again, like I said, I totally recommend this microphone. I was, again, surprised, and I think you'll enjoy it.